So, for a long time now, I have been making the best of it with my hammer drill, corded hammer drill. And when I say I've been making do, the drills, it still works. It can drill holes and all the functionality works of it, but the top, with it being relatively cheap plastic, has come away. And when that is rotating, it tends to shake. It shakes it, even though it's just plastic, and it makes it difficult. There was a collar on here as well, which split and came off. So to get this to work, I need a pair of pliers, hold here, turn that round, and I've just been making do. It's not been ideal, but if I need a hole drilled, this will do it. It's not the most proficient. It's not got the most finesse, but aye, it was working. It's a hammer drill as well. Hammer drills, the only function of a hammer drill, of the hammer function, is drilling into concrete, and that was the function of it. Over there, as you can see the wee hammer, if you can see that, the hammer there, and the drill bit there. Normal drilling into concrete. It has clockwise, anti-clockwise. This is a wee speed dial. Never actually had any speeds on it, so it was never the easiest to figure out. Trigger and press in and hold. It was alright. It was okay. I was making do with it. Good length of cord on it as well, so it was alright. However, just before lockdown, I found in a charity shop a drill that I completely forgot about. It was £10, and I thought, I'm going to buy that. The box was open, and there was a wee sticker on it, excuse me, saying £10. And I thought, that sounds like a good idea. Now, it's obviously been used. The box has been stored in a garage or something, which is where we store our tools, let's be honest, so it's no big issue. Bit of rust in the hinges, so it's a few year old. Didn't Google it, I didn't ask to test it, I didn't do any of these things. I just bought it for £10 out of a charity shop. So that is a bargain for me. So, and I've took it home, had 101 other things to do, and I've not even looked at it again. But now I've got a wee project, and I need a couple of holes drilled. Actually, I've got a couple of projects, and now I'm needing it. So I'm going to give it a test and a wee look over. So, first thoughts, looks good. Actually looks great. It looks really good. Very clean. Almost new condition, I would say. Almost new condition. Yeah. Yeah. Very pleased with that. Obviously, I'm sure they would have tested it in the shop, but who knows. And there's the specifications of it. Black & Decker KR 700 CRE 700 watt. 230 volts obviously. Yeah. Very similar. So, some similar functions to the old one. Nice long cable as well. Put the drill to the side for a minute. The box has got a measuring tape for measuring how far the drill is going to go into a hole, or how far to drill, and that's pretty much it. Oh. A broken drill bit and a tiny Allen key. Always useful to have a wee Allen key. Put them to the side. Got a dead insects in the box. So yeah, maybe it's not been tested or they've not really had much input, it's just been an in and out at the charity shop, who knows. But yeah, that's it. Not too fussed about the boxes. There's one key thing missing, and it is the cover, I think, for here, if I'm right. I'm sure there's always a cover for these things, so that you can hold it like that. But I actually have a spare one of them for a different drill. So, let's have a look at this. This will be clockwise and anti-clockwise, I'm imagining. Left for normal drilling. It's locked in. Yep, drill and drill. Oh no, sorry. That and the lock must be for here. Right, so that's for locking this. Yes. Push that down. Yeah, that's what that's for. However, left is for drilling, right is for the hammer drill function. Yeah. Speeds, set at 1 at the moment. Oops. Set at 1. Trigger. Push that in. It's holding fine. Yeah, pleased with that. Alright, there we go. That's it working now. So, I'll give it a wee bash. See, hopefully it powers on and does the trick. I'll just got a socket right here. So I will plug it right in. Give this drill a test before I start my wee projects. And they are just wee projects. I'm going to build one thing, and I've been meaning to do for a while, an actual project, and the other one's just a bit of DIY. So this is going to come in handy for both. I could use the other drill for them, but I just thought, you know what, I just remembered I had this thing. Plugged in, ready to go. So, on normal drill function, clockwise, position 1. Yeah, pleased with that. Hammer function. You do notice a slight difference in sound with the hammer, and you can feel the difference. So, anti-clockwise works. And the speed. Yeah, speed works fine. Try putting a drill bit in the chuck. Drill bit right here. push this down. That is really handy having that bit. It used to be a key to turn drills, but yeah, I'm liking that. Yeah, pleased with that. Oops. It's wobbling a wee bit there, but I think it was just a combination of my hand and unsteadiness. Try it with another drill bit. There we go. Tighten it up. Oh yeah. Brilliant. Yeah, delighted with that actually for £10. £10 from my charity shop. Everyone's a winner. So, like I said, I do have another one of these collars from another drill that I never used. That's it there. Let me put it on and see if I can make it work. Don't really need it, but yeah, it fits on fine. Fits on just fine. That'll do nicely. Bolt back in. This has been a real bargain for £10. It's always worth having a wee look in a charity shop. There used to be a real stigmatism about it, but it's a great way to help people, and you get yourself a wee bargain every now and again as well. I don't know how much this bill would have, I don't know how much it would have been, but yeah, for £10 I am more than pleased with this. It's got a nice wee clutch as well. You don't however you squeeze it, however hard you squeeze it, just gently, kind of trickle it along. Yeah, that's a normal drill mode. You can definitely feel the hammer function of the drill. But aye, that's the new one. That's my old one. Pretty pleased. And I think I probably paid 3 times as much, or 4 times as much for this one brand new as I did for this second hand, and it's yeah, it's a better drill, definitely. It just feels better in the hand as well. It feels more robust. Yeah, pleased with that, and I'm definitely going to get some more good buys that I've had in charity shops before. I'm a big believer in charity shops now. Just because someone's no longer able to use something or want something, you can definitely have another life, a useful life with someone else, and you're helping good causes as well. So yeah, pleased with that. My new Black & Decker hammer drill. Be putting that to good use very soon. Okay dokie. Thank you for watching my videos.